Hi, in front of me is Honor 8 and today I would like to show you how you can add events to calendar on this device. First of all, go into calendar, then pick a date by clicking on the chosen one and tap on new event at the bottom left corner. After that, you can customize it however you want to, but firstly, click on more over here. Now you can add a title. For example, set up notifications, minutes, hours, or weeks before over here. Choose starting hour, ending one, or turn off this feature completely by clicking on the switcher next to all day. When you're done, click at the top right corner and as you can see my event was successfully created. You can always delete it though by holding it and clicking delete over here. Then confirm your choice by tapping on delete again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!